Hi, welcome to this Code for IBM video. This time we're going to talk about profiles. So let's hop over into VS Code and get started. So right now my current library is set to PBTest. I'm just developing stuff. I'm just working in my test library. So I'm going to create a filter for PBTest. Library, PBTest, source files, that'll work. That's everything. So I'm in here, I have my RPG source and do all of my development. And now I would like to also set up a different environment for production. So first thing I'm going to do is save here in the user library. You have this disk here to save current settings to new profile. I'm going to go ahead and save off this settings as PBTest. And now I have a new section up here for profiles. And I'm going to remove my filter, delete that. I'm going to change my current library. I'm going to set this to PBProd. There we go. And then I'm going to create a new filter for production, PBProd, source files there, save settings. And now what I want to do is save this to a new profile here. Now I have two different profiles set up with different library lists and different filters. So when I'm working in test, I can just simply activate that profile and it will change my library list and my filters. And when I'm ready to work in production, I just activate that profile and it'll change my library list and filters for those settings. So, and that's all that there is for the video today. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.